Hi, I'm Sarah Collier with NC12 Realty here on Hatteras Island, and this is IndianTown Shores. IndianTown Shores is one of Frisco's hidden treasures. With a mixture of vacation homes and year-round homes, you'll find a nice group of friendly neighbors. Most homes are nestled between the beautiful native oaks, and many have a water view, whether it is soundfront or canal front. Some homes have their own private docks where you can fish, crab, or tie up your boat and kayaks. There is a private soundfront beach for residents and visitors to enjoy, and because there are no through streets, it's a great place for walks and for kids to play. No matter where you are in this neighborhood, the sunsets are amazing all year long. You won't miss a magical Hatteras Island sunset in IndianTown Shores.
NC12 Realty, connecting you to Hatteras Island.